In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create TeamViewer account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account and be ready to use the web client for remote access and support. Before we start, make sure you're signed into a Google account in your browser, since we'll use it to speed up the sign up. Begin by opening your browser and heading to the official TeamViewer website. On the homepage, look for the option labeled Free Business Trial and click it. Don't worry, this route simply takes you to the modern getting started flow. You won't be charged just for creating an account. On the next page, locate and select Access Web Client. This opens TeamViewer's browser-based interface so you can get set up without downloading the desktop app right away. It's a convenient way to create your account and jump in quickly. When the sign-in screen appears, click Continue with Google. Using your Google credentials keeps the process simple and avoids manually typing your email details. If your browser shows you a list of Google accounts, choose the one you want associated with TeamViewer. If prompted to confirm permissions, click Continue to proceed. This allows TeamViewer to use your Google account for authentication and basic profile information. Back on the TeamViewer registration screen, you'll be asked to enter a password. Even though you're using Google to sign in, TeamViewer may request a password to secure your account within their system. Create a strong one you can remember, ideally with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After typing it, click the arrow button to move forward. If you see the arrow again, often used as a next or continue icon, click it once more to confirm and advance. At this point, select Create an Account. TeamViewer will process your details and finalize the setup. In a moment, you should be taken into the web client where you can explore remote connections, manage devices, and adjust your preferences. If anything looks slightly different on your screen, interface labels can change over time. Just look for similarly named options like Web Client, Continue with Google, or Create an Account. After you're in, consider bookmarking the web client for easy access next time. Also, keep an eye on your inbox in case TeamViewer sends a verification message. Completing it helps secure your account and ensures you don't run into access issues later. That's it. You've created your TeamViewer account using the web client flow. Thanks for following along and enjoy your streamlined remote access experience.